Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove a pie on Trading 212. If you've created a pie for automated investing and no longer need it, or you simply want to tidy up your dashboard, removing a pie is quick and straightforward. Before we begin, remember that deleting a pie is a permanent action for that specific setup. It can affect any schedules or automation linked to it, so take a moment to confirm you're removing the correct one and that you're comfortable with the change. Start by opening Trading 212, either in your web browser or in the mobile app, and sign in if prompted. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top navigation for the pie icon. It typically looks like a small circular chart and leads you straight to your pies. Click or tap that icon to open the list of pies associated with your account. From the list, choose the pie you want to remove. In our example, it's labeled as a sample pie, but on your screen you'll see the name you assigned when you created it. Take a second to confirm it's the right one by glancing at its name and overview. This helps you avoid deleting the wrong pie, especially if you manage several. When you're sure, go ahead and open that pie to view its details. Inside the pie view, find the three dots, often located near the top right corner of the screen. This is the More Options menu, and it's where Trading 212 groups key actions for that specific pie. Click or tap the three dots to open the menu. If your app window is small, you might see the icon slightly shifted, but it will still appear as the familiar three-dot menu. In the options that appear, select Delete. This choice indicates you want to remove the pie from your account. You may notice it highlighted or styled to signal that it's a significant action. Selecting Delete will not immediately remove the pie. It prepares the final step and triggers a confirmation prompt to ensure you intend to proceed. To complete the process, confirm by selecting Delete Pie on the confirmation screen. Read any prompts shown, then proceed if everything looks correct. After confirming, the pie will be removed and you'll return to your list without that entry. If you need a similar setup later, you can always create a new pie with fresh targets. And if anything seems unclear at any point, check the on-screen guidance or contact Trading 212 support for help. That's it. You've successfully removed a pie on Trading 212.